One tired hiker.
He's got a major malfunction.
Are you gonna go hiking in the woods?
Yeah.
There's another boy. Come on.
What you boys want to do today?
Go hike.
It's gonna be awesome.
You want to see animals? Right. Wait, you can walk on water? Look at Papa.
The gravity pulls you straight
Go by
down.
Papa. Whoa.
Earth from a bird's eye view.
Whoa.
You should grow feathers and see this too.
Sebby's hard to understand. He speaks this English called Spanglish.
Say hello. Say hola.
The gravity pulls you straight down.
Did you learn how to swim? What do you think, Sebby?
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
What do you think, Sebby? Oh, jeez. Did you see her?
You jump
Yeah.
off of that thing?
Tori just jumped off this cliff, but I don't know if she knew how far down that was.
It's like
Look at that.
that's like 10 feet.
That's insane. What's over here? You got some boogers, huh? Let me get those boogers.
When you want to get off that darkest
Oh,
ground,
look at this.
the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Say cheese.
You should grow feathers and see this too.
Got him.
When you want to get off the darkest ground,
You're hungry?
the gravity pulls you straight down.
You guys got lunch and everything packed in those backpacks?
What are you gonna do for lunch? You gonna kill something?
It's one tired hiker.
He's got a major malfunction.